In an era of rapid technological advancement, the impact of AI on the job market cannot be overlooked. As we look ahead to the next decade, it becomes increasingly crucial to understand how AI may shape various industries and roles. In this article, we explore 10 job positions that could potentially undergo significant changes or even disappear due to the integration of AI. By examining the potential impact on each role and considering the broader implications, we gain valuable insights into the evolving landscape of work and the skills required to thrive in the age of automation. Data entry clerks. AI algorithms can automate data entry tasks by extracting information from various sources and inputting it accurately into systems. This automation reduces the need for manual data entry, potentially leading to a decline in the demand for data entry clerks. Telemarketers. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle customer inquiries, provide information, and even make sales pitches. As these AI systems become more sophisticated, they can simulate human-like conversations, reducing the reliance on human telemarketing roles. Cashiers. The rise of automated checkout systems, self-service kiosks, and mobile payment options has the potential to replace human cashiers. Customers can scan and pay for their purchases independently, reducing the need for human operators to handle cash transactions. Drivers. The development of autonomous vehicles has the potential to disrupt industries reliant on human drivers, such as long-haul trucking and delivery services. As self-driving technology advances and regulations evolve, there may be a decrease in the need for human drivers. Factory workers. AI and robotics technologies are increasingly being used in manufacturing to automate repetitive and physically demanding tasks. With the introduction of robotic systems, assembly lines can operate more efficiently, potentially reducing the demand for manual labor in factories. Travel agents. Online travel platforms and AI-powered recommendation systems have made it easier for individuals to plan and book their own travel arrangements. With the availability of online resources and personalized travel suggestions, the traditional role of travel agents may see a decline. Customer service representatives. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are being employed to handle basic customer inquiries and provide automated support. These systems can understand and respond to customer queries, reducing the need for human customer service representatives in certain areas. Insurance underwriters. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including customer information and risk factors, to make accurate and efficient underwriting decisions. This may reduce the need for human insurance underwriters who manually assess risk and determine premiums. Stock traders. AI-powered algorithms are increasingly used in the financial industry to analyze market trends, news, and historical data. These algorithms can make trading decisions more quickly and accurately than human traders, potentially impacting the role of human stock traders. Receptionists. AI-powered virtual receptionists and automated systems can handle tasks like greeting visitors, scheduling appointments, and providing basic information. As these systems become more advanced, they may replace or reduce the need for human receptionists in certain settings. While these job roles may experience changes or potential decline due to the integration of AI technologies, it's important to note that new roles and opportunities may emerge as well. The transition to a more automated workforce calls for individuals to adapt their skills, acquire new competencies, and explore emerging industries to stay relevant in the evolving job market. As we conclude our exploration of the 10 jobs that could potentially transform with the rise of AI, it's important to approach the changing job landscape with adaptability and a growth mindset. While AI may automate certain tasks and job roles, it also presents opportunities for innovation and the emergence of new industries. The key lies in embracing lifelong learning, acquiring new skills, and staying attuned to technological advancements. By harnessing the power of AI and leveraging it as a tool rather than a threat, we can forge a path forward that harnesses the benefits of automation while preserving the irreplaceable value of human creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Let us seize the opportunities that lie ahead and shape a future where humans and AI work together synergistically for the betterment of society. Stay with Double Z. Thanks for watching.